Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Safari app or your Safari browser is not working properly or it keeps crashing after iOS 18 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 18 but your Safari browser or the Safari app keeps crashing or it is not working properly, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply download and install the latest version of Safari browser in your device. So guys, for that open your app store and search here for Safari. So guys, here it is, and now download and install the latest version of Safari app in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then open settings in your device and scroll it below and go to Safari browser. So guys, here it is, and scroll it below all the way, and from here tap on clear history and website data and clear history for one time from your Safari browser from here as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to open settings in your device, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on general and scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.